Hello there! So I am back, and I wasn't even planning on filming a video today, but I just had a visit from the postman and I have received some new boots that I ordered from Dolls. Was it an impulse purchase? Yes, definitely. Do I need any more shoes? No, in fact, I've got so many shoes at the moment. I'm just struggling to find places to store them. I've got some in my wardrobe. There's some downstairs on the shoe rack. I've even got a feck load of shoes up in the loft. I have so many shoes. Some have to be stored in the loft. Honestly, I've only got 2 feet. I work from home. I very rarely go out. Why am I buying all of these shoes? I don't know. I'm just going through a phase like at the moment with shoes, and I was meant to be on a no buy, but then every month I'm meant to be on a no buy. So, what difference does it actually make, honestly? But you know what though? It's not just me. Our whole house is full of shoes. The boys have a million pairs of shoes. Honey's has a million pair of shoes. Oh, he doesn't have that many actually. And I only let Honey store his nice shoes on the shoe rack, and the rest of them I just put in a cupboard somewhere. Is that mean? That probably is mean, but like men's shoes are always like a bit, because they're really big and just, I don't know about you, but I do not let Honey store his shoes on show. I know what a dick I am. I know, but Honey's, he knows what I'm like, and he seems to like me enough to keep me around, so that's great. Anyway guys, right, so basically I just thought I'm going to show you the shoes. I did put a post on Instagram when I purchased the shoes. This has been like a little build up for me, but basically, right, okay, I'm going to just tell you quickly, right, so Mikey, who had the YouTube channel Glam and Gore, well, a while ago I saw a picture on her Instagram and she had these really amazing boots on. I'm going to move over because I'm going to show you a picture now so that you can see. So these boots are sensational. To me, it's like boot porn. I almost orgasmed when looking at these boots. I love the way that they kind of go above the ankle, and I love those extra straps. They are the epitome of like grunge, and I really love them, and they're very unique, and I hadn't seen anything like it before, so I was intrigued to find out, well, where did she get them from? So I found out the name of the designer, went and had a look at their website, and then I discovered that these boots cost about £800. And as much as I love them, like, I cannot spend £800 on a pair of boots. Like, I can spend like £80, but I'm not spending £800, and really I shouldn't be spending anything on a pair of boots anyway. But hello, here I am unboxing my new pair of boots. So I was perusing on Dolls because they were having a mega shoe sale. I mean, who am I to refuse that? It would be rude to not go and have a bit of a look. But I knew, I said, I'm going to just have a bit of a look. But I knew full well I was going to end up buying something. And this is what I bought. Because they reminded me of the shoes that Mikey had, which I'm going to pop up a picture here so that you can just see. Take another look at them. And then we're going to unbox the shoes. Wow, this is a big box. It makes me look tiny. Oh my gosh. Also, before I show you those boots and show myself the boots, because I've not seen them yet either, but Honey's treated me to a pair of shoes like the other day, and oddly enough, these are from Dolls, and they look very much like, Fila trainers. They've got that chunky heel, like basically they've ripped off Fila. I don't know what Fila feels about this, but that sounds funny. Fila feels. Anyway, I don't know what they think of this, but these are just feelers, but not. But anyway, so these are really cute. They're very chunky. Even though they look like they'd be really, really heavy, they're not. They're like super lightweight, which makes them very comfy to wear. They've got the massive feck off heels. These are size 6 US size, which means they are size 4. Oh no, I'm getting confused. It doesn't take much. So these are size 6 in US sizes, which means they're actually size 4 UK. I am actually a size 3 UK, and I'm a size 5 in US shoe sizes. But even though these are like a size different. They don't really feel it. They feel really comfy and they're actually a really good fit. So when I got the, okay, just to tell you one last thing. Oh my gosh, I'm dying to open my shoes. But so these arrived like 2 days ago, and obviously I was expecting my boots to arrive, and Honey's did not tell me he'd ordered me a pair of shoes. So a Dolls Kill package came, and I'm there thinking, oh, my boots have arrived. So I rip the package open downstairs, and I see these, and I'm thinking, these are not the boots I ordered. Like, there's been a mix-up. But how strange, because these are my style. Like, these are right up my street. And I was in like this whole like world of confusion, because I was like, it's really strange that they've messed up my order. But what's even stranger is that they've messed it up with shoes that I would actually buy myself. And I was questioning it. I was thinking, should I even let them know they sent the wrong ones? Like, should I just keep these and say mine didn't turn up? Not that I would ever do that. I would never do that, honestly. She would never do that. She would never do that. But I was just thinking, how strange is that? Anyway, right, guys, so they are so cute and I really like them. But OMG, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Why am I so hyper today? I don't know. I think it's because I'm working at home today and this is my lunch break. But literally from between 9 a.m. and now it's about 10 past 12, all I've been doing is sat there staring at my laptop, responding to email after email after email after email, issue. My door's not working, the lift's not working, the fire alarm's going off, there's cat poo in the communal area, someone's been sick on my front door. Just shit from all angles. But anyway, this is my moment to just relax, chill. And when this is your treat to yourself, because you deserve it, because you work hard, you do your best, and you are a good person. So do you ever do that to yourself? Like, you know, if you're kind of justifying a purchase and you're just thinking, well, I've worked really hard all week, so I actually deserve this. That's what I do, and that's why I have loads of shit that I probably don't need. But okay, right, let's do this. I'm opening. I hope these are good. I really hope they're good. I think they cost me about, I don't know. I'll have to double check. I'll put it here how much they cost me. Okay, so this is the box and it looks really nice and it's got a big elastic band around it and it says Poster Girl. Poster Girl. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've just tilted my camera down so that you can actually see the unboxing live footage. Oh, I was stuck to my chair. Oh my gosh. Oh, by the way, excuse how shit I look. These are my just housebound leggings that I just love wearing and they look so shit. They've got holes in them because I wear them all the time. How do I get in? How do I get into the box? Like, why is there not an easy way in? Like, oh! OMG, guys, look at these! Wow. These remind me a lot of buffalo boots. Because they're just chunky and they've got this whole like grunge alternative aesthetic going on. Look at this, guys. This is what I call a boot. It's got a little zip. I could store my, oh no, I couldn't really store anything in there, I don't think, but it's kind of like a combat boot. Oh, this is a boot that says, I desperately want to be looked at as being alternative, but no, it doesn't. It says, I am a rock and roller. I'm a grunge girl. I still think I'm 18 and I've not quite come to terms with the fact that I'm almost 40. Boot. Do you know what? It feels really good quality as well. And also similar to those pink shoes, it's super lightweight. I think when you look at this, you immediately think, oh my gosh, that's going to be so like heavy and uncomfortable, but it's not. It's like super lightweight. Okay, right, so guys, let's get her sister out. Okay, so we have her sister, which unsurprisingly is exactly the same as the other one, so yayo to that. Okay, so guys, I'm so happy with how these boots look. They actually look so much better in person. Well, not so much better. They've exceeded my expectations. So, because you never know when you buy a pair of boots, do you? You just never know. But by the way, how great are Dolls Kill shoes? Oh my gosh, I have a weakness for Dolls Kill shoes and all of the sexy clothes they have on there. But I'm just beyond it. Like, I'm always looking at the clothes on Dolls Kill because it's kind of like an art gallery, you know. I kind of look not to buy, but just to look and marvel at the clothes, like, and as some of the shoes, you know, the ones where they've got amazing heels. And I think to myself, wow, to me it's like an art gallery. Like, I'm looking and I'm just wowed by all the fantastic fashion and shoes that I'm seeing. It's great. But okay, right guys, I'm going to try these on now and I'll show you what they look like. Oh, okay, so they do have very long laces around the top, and then they have this convenient zip so that, you know, you don't have to actually mess about with all of these buckles and things, because that would be high maintenance. I've got enough in my life to deal with without having buckles on my shoes to deal with. But we have a zip, which is great. So I'm going to open the zip. Okay, so the boot is going on for the first time. And I beg of you, boot, please be comfortable. Please, please, please. Also, just to say, like, what do you think? Like, do you think that these boots are a good dupe for those ones that I saw Mikey wearing? Because, like, I think they are a really good dupe. So if you like those Mikey boots, because I saw that on her picture there were like tons of comments from her followers asking like, oh my gosh, where did you get your boots from? I love those boots. So if you're one of those people, then, you know, maybe like you could get some of these too. So anyway, I'm gonna just zip. Okay, so these laces could get annoying. Okay, the zip is very like not the easiest, but oh well, I did it. Okay, so these laces are very long and I don't know why I even need them, honestly, because we've got the buckles going around, we've got the zip at the side. Like, I don't need these laces. These laces are only going to do my head in. It just whacked me in the eye. Oh my gosh. I may just cut these laces off, I think, but for now I'm going to just tie them around. I suppose that it's like it's just an extra bit of added grunge, isn't it, to have them tied round. So I'll tie them there. Yeah, these laces, they're not going to be around for long, I feel. Oh my gosh, I've got the first one on. Let's move to the next. Oh, there we go, wow. I might wear these to go collect the guys from school today, I think. Yeah, I'll just wow everyone with my fantastic new boots. I've not worn my pink ones yet, my pink shoes. I'm going to have to wear them and wow all of the other parents. I'm sure they would love to see those. You know, I find that, you know, the type of shoes that I like, and as well, because I love a lot of pink and girly, like, I love grungy. I'm a grungy girl, a girly grunge, I don't know. Anyway, I can't be arsed finishing telling you what I was going to tell you, because I've got the boots on. I want you to see. Okay, so guys. Okay, so the boots, they're on, guys. And you know what? They're comfy, but I definitely think that I could have probably got away with the next size up, to be honest. Like, so these are a size 5 US, which is the smallest size that Dolls Kill do. And a size 5 US is meant to translate to being a size UK 3. Okay, so I'm just going to show you a video now of the boots on. I'll give them a little bit of a model for you, but do you know what? They do feel like a tiny bit tight, like not tight, but just at the toe end, maybe a little bit too small. It could just be that I need to trim my big toenail. Honestly, that's quite possible. But so these are in the smallest size that Dolls Kill do, which is a US size 5. I'm a size 3. These are a size 6 US, so it makes them like size 4. But Honeys was telling me something about on Dolls Kill, like the difference between a size 5 and 6 is only half a size as opposed to like a full size. How does Honeys even know this? Like, I do not know, and I don't know if that's true, but that would essentially make these to be like maybe even like a size 2.5, which I do think maybe just like I'm maybe like if I were to shop on Dolls Kill again, I may be inclined to go for a size 6, depending on what style of shoe I was ordering, because yeah, that's the only thing I would say. Like, these are really comfy, like they feel really comfy, but yeah, just at the toe end, I think I just need to trim my toenails, honestly. But let me just have a little prance about, just because I'm not really giving them a chance. This is me prancing about just to give them a chance. Yeah, no, I think they're so comfy. And you know, sometimes I'm bothered, you know, when a boot like ends like high up, because I've got some Wellington boots and they're like they go like just underneath my knee, and I cannot stand them. Like, they look good, but they're so uncomfy. I got them for they're my watching the boys play football at the match kind of, you know, shoes. So uncomfy. They've gone up to the loft and they're probably never returning, honestly. But no, these finish at a good point. They feel comfy. Yeah, it just feels a bit tight. It's over on this side, my left side. It just feels like maybe a bit like my toe is a bit towards the very tip. But, oh my gosh, I love them. Let me see them. I've not looked in the mirror yet. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so cool. These are so cool. And do you know what? Even if they were a bit small, I don't give a shit. Like, sorry guys. Oh my gosh, that was the worst bit of filming I've ever done. I was just looking in the mirror at my boots, admiring them, chatting away. But I don't care if they're a tiny bit tight. Who gives a fuck? I really love them. But, okay, so guys, anyway, I am going to go. I'm just really pleased with my new boots, and thank you so much for sharing in this experience with me. I know not everyone's going to be, what's that on my chin? Oh, anyway, I know not everyone's going to be like really interested in this, but oh my gosh, I always love filming a video, and I love unboxing things, and I love buying myself things. I just love things. So anyway, if you love things too, I thought you may have enjoyed this. But anyway guys, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.